Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is do. Here are some words related to the base word. Doer, does, doing, redo, redoing, undo, undoing. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. Do you exercise every day? He is a doer, not a thinker. What does that mean? You are doing a great job. She had to redo her laundry. She is redoing her homework. We can undo that part. His temper was his undoing. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.